Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can extract all the tweets of a particular account, and if you are searching for a method to find the tweets on a given date, then I will show you that too. So if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. I will put a link in the description. You have to go to that link and you will be directed to this website. So the first step is to create an account on this website. So let's create an account quickly. So my account is created within seconds, and at the top they are saying that I have to verify my email address. So I will go to my email account. Sometimes you don't receive the email, so no need to worry. You just have to go here and you can just click on this send again. Right now I have received the email, so I will go to my spam folder, and from here I will just activate my account. So here initially you will be given 900 credits, but my remaining balance is 250 credits as I have used some of the credits for other tasks. There are different tools of this website like YouTube, LinkedIn, Google Maps. For example, in LinkedIn you can just scrape the profile of LinkedIn, and here you can see I have already made a video on these topics. So if you want to watch those videos, then you can visit my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go back to our video. Here you have to go to Twitter, and after that just scroll down and go to this option. Here you can see it is written Twitter tweets extractor. You have to go to this option, and if you want to read about it, then you can read thoroughly from here. Like you can see how you can do this task. Okay, so we will just go to this start bot. So this is optional, you can write anything here. So I will write as, and this is also optional, you can write anything. So I will write as. So these are custom options. If you want to extract up to 10 tweets, then it will cost you 25 credits, and if you want to extract like 100 tweets, then it will cost you 300 credits, and if you want to extract 1000 tweets, then it will cost you 500 credits. Okay, so for now my remaining balance is 250 credits. So just for the demonstration purpose, I will select the first option, and it will cost me 25 credits. And in the filter, if you want to check these options, then it's up to you. For example, if you will check this option, then it will exclude retweets, and then this will exclude replies. And in the next option you can also select these options. So I will select this option, and after that if you scroll down, then here you have to put the username. Here you can see that it's costing me 25 credits. Okay, and if you want to get 30% discount, then you can click here and you can check their rates. For example, in the basic business you have to invest $25 per month and you will get all these features. And if you scroll it down further, then this is their pro business. Okay, and you can just get this for only $49 per month, and these are the options you will be given. Okay, so I suggest you to check its free plan first, and if you like it, then you can just upgrade your account. Okay, so let's go back to our video. Now in the final step you have to click on this start this bot. So here you can see my job is successfully created, and we have to wait for almost few seconds and it will be done. So here you can see it is done. So to check our results, we have to go to this view data. These are all the tweets of Bill Gates. Here we can get the username, the user handle, date of posting, and this is tweets. Okay, now to find the tweets on a specific date, I will go to Google. And here you have to go to site twitter.com, and here you have to select Bill Gates. Okay, and go to the search option. So these all are the tweets of Bill Gates, and let's suppose that you are just searching for the tweets in the month of April. So what you can do is just go to this tools. Okay, and after that in the anytime you can just select custom range, and from here you have to select the month. Okay, and date, and after that the year. Okay, so after that just select the month again and go to the date and select this option. Okay, so these are all the tweets done in April. So if you want to go to any of these tweets, then you can just click here and you will be directed to that tweet. Okay, so this is it. Hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.